North Hilton. This is Suyen. I am the chair of the North Hilton Business Network, and today I'm bringing to you the June Business of the Month. We have a pleasure to showcase Columbia Bank, and we have two of the Columbia Bank employees, Laura and Divinity. Hello, ladies. How are you?
Hello, good. Thank you so much for having us, Suyen, and to be part of the North Hilton Business Network group.
Thank you so much for having me here at the branch. I know in the past I've taken a tour of the location. It's beautiful. I know it was recently renovated,
yes,
right?
It was, yeah.
So we'll get a chance over here to tell us all about the renovation and what type of plans we have for the bank in the future.
Good.
So one of the things that I'm sure a lot of our audience has questions about is, when was the bank established?
So Columbia Bank was first established in 1927 in Fairlawn with a single branch. From then, we've done a really great job growing throughout the state. We have over 60 branches and regional lending centers throughout New Jersey. Really proud to be within the community.
And Divinity, when was this branch open?
Columbia Bank was actually opened in 2019 for North Hilton branch. They went through an acquisition with Atlantic Stewardship Bank, and then we became Columbia Bank. So it's been open for 5 years now in North Hilton.
Okay, very good. And where is it located?
It's located on 33 Sycamac Road in North Hilton.
Okay, great. And Laura, would you tell us a little bit about the mission and the core fundamentals of the bank?
Yeah, so Columbia Bank is really proud to be your community partner. We offered a lot of personalized and tailored products to help consumers and commercial businesses, get their footing and get off the ground and feel financially empowered by also being a part of the community through volunteer events, sponsorships, grants. We really feel when the community thrives, we all thrive.
And I feel we have a lot to talk about the community. So,
Yes,
Divinity, you have been very involved, not only with the North Hilton Business Network, but you're always there for us for a cleanup day,
Yep.
baseball opening day. So why don't you tell us a little bit about those events?
Yeah, so Columbia Bank actually donated the brand new scoreboard in the North Hilton recreation field. So that was recently, and for opening day to kick off baseball. And I was actually invited to sing the national anthem for opening day, so that was great to represent Team Columbia and the town. Thank you. So that was a great experience, but we're always involved in the community, whether it is cleanup day for Earth Day. We're going to be, present for North Hilton Food Truck Festival, the restaurant week coming up, of course, any events that come up in North Hilton where we could show our support, we're there. And that goes along with all the branches, in Columbia Bank, like Laura mentions. All the employees do volunteer, and we help at food pantries and just different events that they need help. We're actually helping the Holland Home in town next week, and we're spreading out mulch in front of the Holland Home. So I'm gonna get down and dirty. So let's see, we're excited about that.
That sounds good. I think now that you mentioned the Holland Christian Home, I just remember that I was speaking with somebody there, and he said that he was one of your customers, and he mentioned how fantastic the staff is. So how many employees do you have at your branch here?
They're great. We have 5 employees in the North Hilton branch, and I couldn't be any more happier with my team. Like, I'm so thankful just being with them, and they're just great with the customers. They know all the customers' names. Like, when they come up, a lot of the customers always compliment my staff and say, wow, I really feel like they know our names. They're very welcoming, and it's more than just a bank. It's like a family, so it's great. We've had a lot of loyal customers, thankfully, that they've banked with us for many years. So yeah, so they're great. So that's 5 team members here in North Hilton, but I think a total is 800 employees in Columbia Bank.
Yep.
So
yeah, we have 800 employees, about 800 across the whole state, and I think that's something that's really special to all the employees, especially 2 that worked here. I've only just been here for about 7 months, and I already feel that, really community feel, the friendliness, especially too, that's something really important, is the customer service. We were actually nationally recognized this year by Newsweek for Best Regional Bank 2024. So we're really proud of that, and I think that's really what makes our customers love us so much and feel like we can support them, is because of everyone in the branches that support our business.
In terms of career path, I mean, to be able to provide nice customer service, I think the employees have to be happy, and so I'm sure you guys have a lot of benefits for them, and you help them grow. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, definitely. With Columbia Bank, you know, they love to like promote within, so they offer all these different opportunities. You know, when they arise, and they have the ADP
Yep.
program that you can go and then what?
Yeah, so ADP, it's for our employees to kind of, when you first start as an intern, or you've been working, say, as a part-time teller or somewhere within the bank, it's a 2-year program, and you're able to kind of test out different areas of the bank. So you could be in commercial lending, you could be within the branch, you could be working in marketing. And then after the program finalizes, you're placed within a section within the bank. So a lot of my coworkers have gone through this program, found it really beneficial. You get to know a lot of people through the bank, and really feel comfortable and proud for who you work for.
How has been your path?
It's been great. I actually started in 2022, so little less than 2 years as being a branch manager. But I started like years ago in another bank. I started as a head teller, and I worked my way up. I worked as a personal banker, and I became an assistant manager. So this was actually my first time being promoted as a branch manager with Columbia Bank in a new bank. So it was very, you know, nerve-wracking, but it was great because everybody welcomed me. Like, Columbia Bank was very welcoming. All the employees was just so friendly, and you can tell like they have that great like family vibe to the bank. Everybody knows each other, and there's been a lot of employees that I've met that have worked here for years. So that showed a lot too about the company, that they are happy. You know, so it's been great. It's been a great journey, and I'm just really lucky to just be here and in North Halden. North Halden has been great to me, very welcoming, the customers, everyone. So I definitely came in like they know who Divinity is now, like singing the national anthem and just being involved, and I don't know, I love it. It's great.
You're doing a wonderful job in the
Thank you.
community. I think a lot of people already recognize you in the short time that you've been here in North Halden. So thank you. In terms of products and services, I know you have a lot of different products and services to help business owners, but I think also just personal banking, and most recently you told me you can provide, you know, banking for children too. So that's something that is of interest to me. But go ahead and tell us a little bit more about everything that you offer, because I know
we have a lot. We have a lot. How long is this video? Because I could go on and on. No, so Columbia Bank, we have a full suite of products for consumer and for business. You have, you know, checking, savings, money market accounts, CDs. We actually, the product that you were just talking about, it's a kid's savings account where we can teach them how to manage their money with their parents. And we actually have a coin machine too, so they can come in with their coins and their little piggy banks and start saving up money and open up their first checking account. But yeah, we have that, and we also just started offering insurance products. With the insurance products, we work with RSI Insurance.
Yep.
And we also offer title services as well with First Jersey Title. But we have for business customers as well. We offer merchant services. We have a treasury management team where they can do, you know, all different things on online banking, whether it's wires, ACH services, and things like that. So we have a full range of products and services, and of course the excellent customer service that we provide. we try.
So for anyone who's out there interested in getting some banking services, I would say please reach out to Divinity here at the North Halden branch of Columbia Bank. Would you mind telling us how to contact you besides visiting the location here, which you had already given us the address? Is there a website that we can visit? And
We do, yeah. So you can come to the address, you can come visit us in North Haledon. We also have a website where you can go at www.columbiabankonline.com. Did I get that
Yes,
right?
very
Okay, we're
good.
good. And you can see all the different branches, you know. But yeah, you can contact there, and you can also, you know, call us or email us. We're open 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, 9 to 1 on Saturdays. Yeah, so stop by, see the beautiful branch, have your coffee, you know, we have, you know, lollipops and a great staff, we got good music, we always have good music. So yeah, definitely, if anybody's interested, please come by, we'd be happy to assist and help you with your finances.
And I'm sure if you, I don't think you'll get lost in our Haledon, but if
Yeah.
you are, I think if you ask anyone to direct you to Columbia Bank, they will point you in the right direction here. So, well, thank you, ladies. I really appreciate your time today. You really gave us a lot of great information. I'm so happy that you're part of our
Thank you
community,
so much.
that you're part of the network. And if you need anything from the Business Network, please reach out to me. For anyone who wants to join the Business Network, you can contact me at nhaledonbusinessnetwork@gmail.com. And keep watching us on our YouTube channel. We're going to be featuring this video as well as any other upcoming videos about our businesses in town. And thank you so much for your time. See you until next time.
Thank you.